Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create drip text effect in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Go on the top here and let's change the background color. For this video, let me select this color here. Okay, so we have updated the background color on this template. Now go on the left hand side and click on text. Let's add a heading here. Let's type drip. Okay, now let's change the font. Go on the top here and click on fonts. You can see so many font options available, so you can choose any one font that fits your requirement. Let me search for a font here. For example, Nexa script. Okay, now increase the font size as per your requirement and align it in the center of this template. Now go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for drip. So here you can see so many options. Let's choose the option that fits in here. Okay, so I'll continue to choose the drip graphics here and adjust them on this text so it looks good. I'll resize each drip graphic to fit it in the right place. Please watch carefully. See, that was so easy. You can update any background image here, choose it from the stock photo options available on Canva, or upload your own background image. If you want to download this image, go on the top right hand side and click on Share, and scroll down to click on Download. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.